Welcome back to Quantreef.com. Bitcoin sitting right at 78,663, parked almost exactly on session VWAP, which makes this a real decision zone. Today we'll walk through liquidity, support and resistance, VWAP, Fibonacci, fair value gaps, positioning, and where price likely goes over the next several hours. Price is at 78,663, right on top of session VWAP at 78,544, and just above the anchored VWAP from the swing low at 78,544 and the anchored high VWAP up at 79,204. Trend reads neutral to mildly constructive since price is accepting right at value rather than breaking away either side. We don't have clean liquidation pool data lighting up on this scan, but the structural red still flags high stop hunt risk around here, meaning stops are bunched tight above and below current price. That's consistent with a market sitting on VWAP, thin positioning either side gets swept before a real directional move develops, so don't be surprised by a quick poke through nearby levels before it settles. On the panel right now, resistance above is target 1 at 79,548, then target 2 at 81,260, and target 3 further out at 86,361. Below, support sits at the 1H swing low of 78,041.50, backed by the stop loss level at 77,772.80. Given stop hunt risk is high, a wick through 78,041 before reversal wouldn't be shocking. Losing 77,772 would flip this bearish. No fair value gaps sit above price right now, but there are 3 unfilled bullish gaps below, one around 76,500 down to 73,400, another near 74,005, and a deeper one around 73,000 down to 70,000. Those are magnets if this rolls over. On Fibonacci, price is sitting almost exactly on the 0.786 retracement at 78,540, barely 0.1% away. That's the level more likely to get reacted to first. The grade reads neutral, end score 84, HTS 63. Trend and structure at 75, volume and liquidity at 87, and volatility at 77 are carrying the score, while Fibonacci location at 39.6, macro regime, and crypto relative strength both at 50 are dragging it. We don't have a clean positioning or take a flow red on this scan, so I'd lean on structure over sentiment here. Sitting right on the 0.786 Fib and VWAP together, the path of least resistance is a test of target 1 at 79,548 first, since that's the nearest resistance and stop hunt risk is rated high on both sides. If buyers push through, 81,260 and eventually 86,361 come into view. If sellers take control instead, the 78,041 swing low gets tested first, and a break of the 77,772 stop opens the door toward those unfilled gaps near 76.5 and 73.4. Bullish case confirms above 79,548, invalidated back below 77,772. Bearish case confirms on a clean break of that same stop level, invalidated by reclaiming VWAP back above 78,544. So we're sitting right at a decision point, and whichever side grabs the next pool of liquidity probably sets the tone for the next stretch. If this kind of structural breakdown is useful, give the video a like and subscribe. Quantreef.com runs this same 9-layer grade, probability and liquidity read across over 100 coins, with a 7-day trial to try it yourself. As always, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.